No, that's not for Nina. Play with the ball.
Look at the TV.
Go get it. It's You giving it to the bunny? You giving it to the bunny rabbit? Nina, are you gonna play with the ball some more? Well, go ahead. Hey, you gonna play with it some more? Jump? The bunny? Is the bunny gonna jump on it? Really? No, leave it alone. Nina, that's not a toy. Let's leave it alone. It's not for you. You can play with the ball, though. Jump? You want the bunny to jump? Well, I mean, that's a fake bunny. It's not going to jump right now. I'm sorry. Go soccer girl. Inside? Nina wants to go inside? Grass? Is that grass?
Nina.
You want to go in the grass? Go ahead. You want the ball? Hop? Oh, hop, little bunnies? Yeah. He's not going to hop. He's tired. He's just going to rest.